Searching for a genuine connection in a digital landscape often feels like navigating a minefield of false promises and hidden costs. You stumble upon a platform, like Sakuradate, and it looks like a gateway to a whole new world. The site claims to bridge the gap between Western singles and women across Asia through a professional matchmaking interface. At first glance, the credentials seem to check out fairly well. The domain has been active since the early months of 2023. This suggests a level of stability that brand new sites just do not have. They have a visible social media presence on major platforms like Facebook and Instagram. They share a physical address and a direct email for customer support. These are the traditional hallmarks of a business you can trust. These signs suggest accountability and a long-term strategy. But the moment you peek behind the curtain, the picture turns dark very quickly. Real users are sounding the alarm on major review platforms with a consistency that is hard to ignore. They describe a system that feels less like a dating service and more like a high-pressure financial vacuum. The primary complaint is the aggressive credit system. You are not just paying a simple monthly fee to meet people. You are paying for every single interaction. Every message you send and every photo you view carries a specific price tag. There are heavy allegations that many of the profiles you see are not entirely what they seem to be. Many users believe they are interacting with paid professionals or even automated bots. These entities are specifically trained to keep the conversation going as long as possible. They use emotional hooks to ensure you keep buying more credits. It is a cycle of hope followed by a quick drain on your bank account. Some people have spent thousands of dollars chasing a relationship that never actually moves off the platform. When you try to take the conversation elsewhere, you hit a massive wall. Messages are often blurred out to prevent you from sharing private contact info. Personal details are blocked by the system. The site effectively holds your communication hostage. Even trying to leave the service is a total headache. Users report that deleting an account is unnecessarily complicated and confusing. Customer support often goes silent when you ask for a refund or try to close your profile. This is a classic hallmark of a high-risk platform. It prioritizes profit over the actual human connections it promises to facilitate. You have to ask yourself if the risk is worth the potential heartache. The consensus from those who have been burned is a resounding no. They warn that the emotional manipulation is just as damaging as the financial loss. If you are looking for love, you deserve a space that is transparent and honest. This platform appears to be a gamble where the house always wins. Stick to platforms with verified reputations and clear pricing models. Protect your heart and your wallet from these types of predatory digital environments. It is better to be cautious than to be exploited by a sophisticated system of paid chats and empty promises. Stay sharp and look for the red flags before you ever hand over your credit card details. This journey for companionship should not cost you your peace of mind. Seek out spaces where transparency is the priority. Your future self will thank you for the extra caution you take today. Avoid the traps and stay focused on finding something real.